Your Soul Buddy Petit sends fatigue signals when social media drains your energy. Scrolling for just 5 minutes becomes hours, not addiction, energy theft. Every post carries creators' emotional frequency. Endless scrolling means absorbing thousands of strangers' energy simultaneously. Petit's warning signs: eyes heavy after Instagram, chest tight after X, head foggy after TikTok. You're not just viewing content, you're downloading energy. When body says put phone down and you ignore it, you override Petit's protection system. Trust the fatigue. It's not laziness, it's soul preservation. Petit knows when to disconnect. Follow Petit for daily cosmic messages. If this resonated, Petit sees your life as a soul high five.